Hey y'all, we got sent over a Teslong thermal imaging camera to do a box opening and just kind of a brief review. I'm going to do a quick box opening and then figure out how to use it and then show you what we figured out. So let's get it opened up and see what we got, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, see what we got. Alrighty, have a user manual. Some information there, and the camera, thermal camera itself. Looks interesting. It does have a USB-A to USB-C cord. And that's it. We're going to take this and see if we can figure out how to use it. Check back with y'all momentarily. Okay, after playing with this a little bit, I've got the light turned off in here so you'll be able to see the screen a little better. Just hold that power button down right here. Then we'll go to your readings. You can see I have it set on the center reading right there. We'll get to that in a moment. But like right here is a hot cup of water. Get this up a little closer, maybe you can see it. There we go, that's better. Next to it, if you can see that, is a cold cup of water. And then over here is like a plant, a house plant. Pretty cool. Now we'll get into some more details here. I just wanted to show you that while this water was hot. Really hot, isn't it? Now, if you want to take a picture of this on your trigger, I'll show you where the trigger is in just a moment. You just squeeze it once, and that'll take a picture. Hold that trigger button down, and it will start a video. You can see it up there in the top left. To stop the video, just hit the trigger again, and it'll stop. Now, you can go into your menu by pushing that button right there, and that will go into your menu. And that is your pointers right there. You put it however you'd like it. I've got it set right now to right in the center, but you can change it to whatever you'd like. You can change it to zone. That'll just give you, like it showed you, a squared off area. Put it on center spot, and that'll put it right back up there, and that'll show you where that laser is going to be pointing. Hit the OK button, which is also the back button. Go back into your menu. You can view your album right here. Click that. And you can scroll through the list there. Hit the OK button to look at it. You can hit the trigger button to play. And turn it off. View your pictures and videos right here. You can also scroll through here by pushing the down arrow right there. It's on the bottom right there. I don't know if you can be able to see those arrows or not. Go back into your menu. You have your settings. We'll go back the other direction in a moment. Should have started with the settings at first, but we started where it was last at. Right here you can set your language in Mississippi, however you pronounce that. Your TISO view, I'm not real sure what that is. I couldn't find it in the book. Change your units from Fahrenheit to Celsius, right there. Compensation, this is going to be the distance you're measuring from. You can go from 1.64 feet to 3.28 feet to 6.56 feet. I've got it set right there in the middle. Your temperature range, you can check that out. Put it on automatic, or you can select the temperature range. More, it just gives you like your storage. If you wanted to, you can set your date and time. In storage, you can format your internal storage, and it says available 6.69 gigabytes. Total 8 gigabytes in built-in storage. You can go ahead and format that. It's got an alarm, auto power off. You can change this from feet to meters. Temperature bar, you can turn that on and off. Right here on the right hand side, this is where that temperature bar is. So You could turn that off if you wanted to. And see, now that bar is gone. Right here you can put your thermal settings. You got smooth, normal, and high contrast. I just have it set on normal. You can go into your color palette and change your different colors here. Pretty cool. And this LED, that'll turn a backlight on. You see it light up on the plan over here. Right there. Pretty cool. You have your battery indicator up here. It shows you how much power you got. Right up here on the top, under this flap, is your USB-C port. You can transfer the data from your device to the computer, or you can use that USB-C port as the power charging port. So it's a dual purpose port. Here was that trigger. Has a standard 1/4" nut right there to put it on a tripod. And right here on the back you have your laser pointer and your 2 LED lights that will come on that we saw a while ago. And right here is our IR camera lens. You can turn that laser on by pushing this button. I don't know if you'll be able to see that in the camera. Oh yeah, you can see it right down there. You can turn it on and off right there. Okay, this one is the model TTM120S. The instructions also include for the model TTM260. So make sure you're looking at the right instructions. Not a whole lot of differences. The 260 has a few more options that this one doesn't, but it's a really cool little device. I could see using it for like measuring your temperatures on your CPUs on a computer, or if you wanted to just see what the water temperature was or the temperature coming out of an air vent or whatever. It could be used for multiple things. Very cool little device. Hey, if you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Anyway, it's a really cool little device. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.